Hello, dear Bishop. On behalf of the Catechetical Center, Sunday school teachers, and Sunday school children, here's wishing you a very happy birthday.
Our Reverend Bishop Thomas Dabney is known and regarded with great honor not only in the Christian community but also by the members of other faiths.
You are an intellectual, simple, down-to-earth and loving person. Wishing you a very happy birthday from the parish of St. Ignatius Sunday School teachers.
He is extremely humble and approachable. But what struck me the most about Bishop Dabney is his ability to reach out to the entire congregation through his homily. He does this by making use of all three languages: Marathi, Hindi, and English. Very few have the ability to blend with the masses like Bishop Dabney has. His usage of simple words and day-to-day events in the lives of a common man make his preachings relatable, and that is why he stands tall among the rest.
Wish you many happy returns of the day, Bishop Thomas Dabney. I find you have a different, unique style of preaching good news by usage of different languages and interlinking it with your own practical, experienced life. I love the way you preach. Once again, extending my best wishes, Holy Trinity Church, Sangbi.
Happy birthday to you, Your Lordship. On this special occasion, I am happy that I have the opportunity to share one quality that really inspires me. That quality is how you stand for secularism. Once again, I wish you many happy returns of the day on behalf of our St. Sebastian Church, Daund, our priest and parishioners.
Hello, dear Bishop. Our lives are touched by someone who makes a profound impact upon us. Someone whose kindness and sense of humanity serves to make our days just that much brighter. Someone who reminds us of Jesus and His goodness and His capacity to reach out to others. A gentle man who takes the time to extend his hand and open his heart to all those in need. Someone who, like the shepherd, tends to his flock, young and old, with love and devotion. On behalf of St. Anthony's Church, I am Mary Francis. Take this opportunity to wish you a very happy birthday.
I'm Shana Furtado and I will be speaking about our Bishop Thomas Dabney. He is a very fine person and does his best to spread the teachings of Jesus. We come to know about this when on Good Friday, he gave a message to all the people to fight evil with goodness. Our Bishop always wants to spread Jesus' love and his teachings among all people. This is a very good quality of his. Happy birthday, dearest Bishop Thomas Dabney. Have a wonderful day.
We, the Sunday school teachers of St. Patrick's Cathedral, are truly lucky to have an amazing personality to lead us. Yes, dear Bishop, thank you for being an enthusiastic leader and for guiding us through your teachings and faith to become more like Jesus, our great master and teacher, and through your social work to see Jesus in every person we meet. On behalf of the Sunday school teachers of St. Patrick's Cathedral, I, Roshni Furtado, wish you a happy birthday, dear Bishop.
Our Bishop is transparent, humble, honest, brings people closer to the Christ. May God's light shine upon you and give you life in abundance.
May God bless you, our dear Lordship, with good health, prosperity, and long life. I'm glad to have our Lordship with us. He is given a great contribution towards our catechism classes, especially training of the catechism teachers. I pray, may this 75th birthday bring you joy, happiness. May all your dreams come true. May you take the Pune Diocese to the greater heights. Thank you.
Dear Reverend Bishop Thomas Dabney,
It is indeed a great honor for me to speak on the occasion of your birthday. You are truly a blessing for us and the whole Diocese of Pune. You are always ready to help the poor and the needy by offering your help financially, spiritually, and morally. Even in these difficult times, we have seen you ever ready to help the ones in need without making any discrimination between caste and creed, showing us your humility. Thank you for all efforts taken for your flock. We wish you, dear Bishop, God's abundant blessings on this special day, wishing you health, peace, and happiness. A very happy birthday, dear Bishop Thomas Dabre.
Respected Bishop Thomas Dabre, a very happy 75th birthday to you, Lordship. On behalf of us Sunday school parents, teachers and parishioners of Good Shepherd Parish, you have helped us build our church, and it is only since you became bishop that our church came into being. We have grown as a community to be a very vibrant and loving parish. Thank you for infusing our diocese with so much of love for one another and for other communities, including other religions and other churches. Thank you, Lordship, for all that you've done for us, being such an accomplished and learned person, yet being so simple, kind and humble. We have learned a lot from you, Lordship. You have brought about a great feeling of love, care and brotherhood in our diocese and among us as parishioners. Thank you very much, and here's wishing you a very happy 75th birthday again.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Father, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday.